Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to debug using Google Tag Manager with the WebKit GTM Assistant app. So let's get started. First, install the WebKit GTM Assistant app. How you can install and set up the app, the video is added in the description. You can check it out. Once the app is fully set up, we can move on the debugging in the Google Tag Manager. So first, these are the standard events which can be checked in the debug mode in the Google Tag Manager, that is view item list, add to cart, view item, remove from cart, and page viewed. And these are the checkout events which you can check directly in the GA4 real time view. If you want to see these checkout events in the Google Tag Manager debug mode, you will need to set up a server-side container and server-side tagging. How you can set up and track these checkout events on GTM debug view, I have attached a video in the description. You can check it out. So now go to the Google Tag Manager, click on the preview button. Now you have to add the URL of your site and click on connect to connect it. As you can see, Tag Assistant is connected and you can see all the fire tags here below the summary. Now let's test a specific event. If you want to see the view item list event in the action, simply navigate your catalog page. Now return back to the GTM debug view. In the debug view, you can see the view item list tag is fired. And for more details, you can check the data layer. In the data layers, you can see all the parameters like item name, item ID, price of the item. You can check all the items you have viewed in the catalog are going to be displayed in the data layer. Like the collection snowboard hydrogen, price is 600. The collection snowboard hydrogen price is 600. The collection snowboard liquid price is 749.95. The collection snowboard liquid price is 749.95. So now if you want to check the view item event, you can view any item. Now in the GTM debug view, you can see the view item tag is fired, and in the data layer you can see its parameters like item name, price. The name of item is the collection snowboard hydrogen and price is 600. The collection snowboard hydrogen price is 600. Now if you want to see the add to cart event, click on add to cart button. Now go back to the debug view and you can see the add to cart tag is fired. And in the data layer, you can see all the parameters like currency, value, item name, hydrogen, value is 600, quantity is 1. Now, if you want to see the view cart, click on view cart. Now, in the debug view, you can see the view cart tag is fired. And in the data layer, you can see all the parameters like the total value of the cart, total quantity of the cart, name of the item added in the cart, the total quantity of the cart. Now, if you want to see the remove item event, you can remove an item from here. And in the debug view, you can see the remove from cart tag is fired. And in the data layer, you can see all the parameters like value is 600, item removed from cart quantity is 1, name of the item, price of the item. So now if you click on checkout button, for see the checkout events, you have to see the video added in the description. Thank you.